Yo, what up? Back again with another tip for you guys working on bikes or whatever it may be. Efficiency is key. That's another thing we do here a lot at Fusion Workshop is recycle. So one of the things that we like to do is whenever we install a chain, and it doesn't matter what kind of chain, whether it's road bike, 10-speed, mountain bike, single speed, there are always leftover pieces that are extra every time you cut somebody's chain down. You should never throw those away. You should put all of those in a safe place where you know where those pieces are, because you can then later use it to repair people's chains when a particular section is damaged, just like this chain here that has broken links here. And so I'm going to use these links to repair this chain. This particular chain is for a motorized bicycle, 415. And it just cost effective. This cost me no money. Just from collecting it, I'm able to then repair a section of the chain that's broken, and that saves me money, it saves the customer money, and most importantly, you're making money out of thin air, compared to ordering parts and having to pay for shipping, etc., and then the customer must wait, and of course, you don't have to replace the whole chain if the whole chain works. For me, that's just wrong, and I don't like when bike shops do that, and so this is something that, in my opinion, all bike shops should really adopt. But, this is something we do. And if you are a mechanic, you work at home, you fix a lot of bikes, or you restore, whatever it may be, this is a good tip. Just save all the extra chain links, and that way you can do work for cheaper. Thank you.